Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Congratulations on purchasing the Arlo Ultra 4K wire-free security camera from the nation's #1 network-connected camera brand. Arlo Ultra is the most advanced camera we've ever created and the clearest choice for wire-free security. It works in all weather conditions and is loaded with features including 4K video, color night vision, an integrated spotlight, panoramic view, noise-canceling audio, and more. In this video, we'll show you how to install your Arlo Ultra system in just 5 simple steps. First, you'll be asked to select your device. Then you'll be prompted to plug the Ethernet cable into your router and power up the base station. The base station will search for your devices and automatically connect. You'll then be asked to name your Arlo base station. After naming the base station, it will check for and automatically update the firmware. Next, you'll be prompted to insert the battery into your camera. Just remove the cover from the back of the camera and insert the battery with the logo facing up. With the battery inserted, the base station will automatically detect the camera and ask you to select the serial number of the camera you'd like to place. Then you'll be asked to name your camera. Repeat this step for every camera you'd like to install. Select an unobstructed location with a clear vantage point and a strong signal. Position the camera on the newly designed mount to take maximum advantage of Arlo Ultra's 180-degree view. If you want to install the magnetic charging cable, you can place the extra wire in the mount to hide any unneeded slack in the cable. This step is completely optional. Arlo Ultra's modular design also prevents accidental dropping of the camera when you're changing batteries with its built-in catch. That catches the camera as it slides out from the base. The kit includes all the necessary mounting hardware, including a small screw spacer to ensure the mount fits tightly. When the camera is mounted, select Continue. The app will then prompt you to select the camera you'd like to place. Next, you'll see the welcome screen for Arlo Smart. All Arlo Ultra cameras include a 1-year subscription to Arlo Smart Premier, a suite of advanced services that includes person detection, E911 services, cloud activity zones, and more. E911 instantly directs local emergency services where the camera is located when you need help. Just add your address and phone number and you can activate E911 services with one simple tap from anywhere in the United States. Congratulations! Your cameras are now active. Press Finish and you're ready to enjoy greater safety, security, and peace of mind with Arlo Ultra, the clearest choice for wire-free security. For more Arlo content, please visit the community pages at arlo.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.